Know your marine stuff.
Naval Architecture Part 4, Repairs. These are general guidelines for ship repairs. You must use them as per question asked. Safety. Safety considerations are very important and you must write them when answering repair questions. Some of safety considerations are: inform class before repair, remove manholes and open up spaces, gas-freeing tanks, chemist to test atmosphere, issue certificate for hot work, ventilation required or not, staging required or not, lightening required or not, marking out required or not. Is this a high-stress area? Is it likely to deteriorate? Does the hull material require special electrodes? Repair techniques. Other things to be considered: replacement material, traceable, certified, correct grade of steel. Welders, burners, all competent, have the correct certificate to do this type of welding. Do we required cranage, cutting out, edge preparation, replacement of plate, frames, and stiffeners, testing of repairs, recoating of steel work, canceling all certificates, reinstating tank manholes. Fundamental tasks for a repair. Identify the scope of work. Identify material requirements. Identify technical requirements. Identify organization responsibilities. Develop a master plan from major specs item. Identify spec item by ship zone. Forward section. Tanks. Machinery spaces. Exterior. Superstructure. Categories of ship zone. Strip out access area. Hull work, structural units. Outfit compartments. Electrical, decks and verticals. Painting, decks. Tanks and exterior. Develop a work order. Ship work. Shop work. Subcontract work. Material. Drawing. Manpower. Time phasing ship and shop work. Zone, strip out, repair, install, test. Fabricate, assemble, install, test. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.